Welcome to Umbrella Programming. Please do subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about equality operators of list. We have two equality operators. One is equal operator, double equal to, and one is not equal to. Okay. In Python, when we are comparing anything, the number of it returns to the equality operator returns true when the number of elements must be same, order of elements must be same, orders should be same, order of elements should be same, and content must be same, including case. Yes, in the I have created two lists. One is of D capitals, dog, cat, and rat, and the L2 contains D small letter, dog, cat, and rat. So L1 is equals to L2. In this case, we are going to get print L1 is equals to L2. In this case, we are going to get false because the content is same. But what happened here? It will compare L1's dog and L2 dog. L1 dog D is capital. L2 dog D is small. Okay. So that's why they both are not equal. If they both are equal in list dog 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 and list L1 dog dog and list L2 dog, they both are equal, then it goes to the next element in the list and start comparing. If they also equal, then again it goes to the third element and starts comparing. If all are equal, then it returns true. If it is not equal, it returns false. This is about equality operator. In equality operator, the number of elements must be same, the order of elements must be same, the content must be same, including the case. These are three important points to remember. Let us execute in our. Here I took my this one list. So I'm trying to compare L1 with L3. Print L1 is equals to L2 L3. Now it returns false because L1 not equal to L3. Here L2 is equals to L3. Clearly we can say L2 is not equal to L3. False. Here L2 not equal to L1. L2 not equal to L1. Yes, true. L2 is not equal to L1. True. Now L3 not equal to L1. Yes, true. It returns true. The output is true. This is about equality operators in Python. When we are trying to compare equality operators, the number of elements must be same, order of elements must be same, the content must be same, including the case. This is about this video. Thank you.